Says, so I've been noticing some incorrect work on long division, and I just wanted to give you a quick refresher on that. I'm going to just use a small problem just to demonstrate, but let's say we have a number like 27 and we're going to divide it by 2. Obviously, the 2 is not going to go in there evenly, so we're going to have some kind of remainder. We don't use remainders anymore like we did when we were in grade school, so we have to say a precise answer. So we know 2 goes into 2 once. It goes into 7 3 times. That would be 6. And now you notice you have 1 left over. Now when you were younger, you might write remainder 1. We don't do that anymore. I've been noticing some people putting 0.1. That's also not correct because that's assuming that it's 1 out of 10, okay? This is not 1 out of 10. It's 1 out of 2. So you have to put that in your answer, 1 out of 2. So it's 13 and 1 over 2. So that's how we get our fraction, 1/2. You cannot put 13.1. That would be incorrect. Okay, so we're going to try it over here a couple different ways. So if you had this question and you wrote 13.5 as your answer, I'd accept that. But here's another way that you can do it to get a decimal answer. So we know it goes in there 13 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. You have 1 left over. You can add the decimal. Some of you might know how to do this, and that's okay, but some people don't. So what do? You just add a decimal with a 0. Now you can drop that 0 down. Now 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we have a precise answer, so 13.5, which is the same as 13.5. If you had written 13.5, oops, that would be okay. 13.5. Trying to watch this through my phone. There we go. Okay, so those are your 2 answers. Remember, if you have a number at the bottom here, you cannot put it as a decimal. Hope that helps, guys.